Hi friends, I am Billy Niguna. You are watching Billy Niguna YouTube channel. Subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Friends, every human being needs success in life, but majority of them can't get success in their future life. In this video, I am going to tell 8 interesting thing everyone should follow to achieve in life. First point, we should have clarity. Clarity is a very important thing everyone should have. For example, I am telling one thing so that you can understand betterly. If you are planning a tour package, for example to America, we should have clarity in lot of things while planning this tourist program. For example, we should have clear cut off plan about the air tickets, about the expense, about the rooms, about the tour program we are conducting there, about the friends we are going to meet there, about the complete plan setup, what we are going to do there. After the clarification, second thing we need to do, write it. This is the thing I am ordering you to do. Because why I am ordering you? Because I need you to achieve the thing. Friends, you can think one thing. Simply sitting and dreaming about something, we should have planned lot of things without writing or planning the particular thing. When writing some things, what we have planned, we have we should gain lot of thing while we are writing that particular thing. So we should implement writing after the clarity. I recommend this. Prepare for it. Everyone should prepare for what we are going to do in the future, because this is the very important thing in which the majority of people lost their willpower, lost their self-confidence. Lot of people are dreaming about the victory, dreaming about the richness, dreaming about what they should buy or do something, but they are not preparing well. So everyone should make preparations to do something different, to do some business. So prepare well and gain lot of ideas. Discuss the matter with your seniors or the peoples who are achieving, who are facing the failures in their life. Why I am recommending to meet the failure persons means they are the person who can teach you clearly about the obstacles you are going to face in particular things. So prepare well. Preparations, friends. Fourth point, we should identify the obstacles. For example, one thing I need to tell friends, every thing you do in your life, every games or every business you do, we should face lot of obstacles before gaining success. For example, I am telling one man, his name is Harland, who is the owner of KFC chickens. He faces 1008 times failures before gaining the success. 1009th time he grabs the success. So we should always be ready to face the obstacles so that we can meet the success. After that thing, fifth point we should follow. Find some supporting systems or resources where we can get the funds or financial support to do the particular thing or particular product. For example, you are making an order. You are receiving an order for about 1000 pieces of garments. For example, this banian. I am telling this for example so that you can get clarification. If you need to do this garment 1000 pieces, you should have 5 lakh payment in your hand. For that 5 lakh, what are the resources you are having? You should plan that. For example, if you are doing any type of business in your life, we should plan this thing very importantly. Without the financial resources, you cannot gain anything to get success. So plan it well. Plan that resources very sharply, very cleanly, so that you can get the development stage. Sixth point, we should have a detailed plan. Why should we should have a detailed plan? Please think it of. Friends, for example, I am telling one thing. We are building a home. For example, before building a home, before building or constructing an apartment house, we are having a plan. What should we want in the house? Swimming pools, parkings, garden areas, etc., etc. To plan what we are doing in our future business, we should have a ready plan, written plan. What and all we are going to do, what are the quantity, what the quality we should follow, what are the sources of income, what are the financial sources we should do, what is the timing limit to complete this order. Like this friends, we should have a clear cut of plan so that we can make the success. After planning well, seventh point, we should execute that. Execute. I am telling friends, execution. We should execute everything. Without execution, simply studying, we should not get any kind of knowledge, we should not get any success, we should not get any development in the life. So execute everything what is better for you. Simply seeing my videos, simply gaining some knowledges without execution of something you learned will not make you success. So execute it so that we can get to next step in your life. Last step friends, after completing everything, eighth point, this is the last and very important step we should do. Monitoring. You should keep our well-being persons, for example wife or parents or friends who are very believable for us. We should have to monitor. We should order them to monitor us. Weekly once they should come and command us, come and make inspection about our work, what and all we are doing. It will be having this type of habits. For example, in our childhoods, a teacher in our classroom will follow us. They will ask about our what and all you are doing in home, our homeworks, our project reports. Our teachers, everyone should follow our works, our studies. In this habit is hidden in every man till their death. So we should keep some man who are very believable to us, to monitor us. These are the simple steps. These 8 kind of steps we should follow to get success. If we follow this 8 steps, we can achieve any type of difficulties, any type of difficult projects, any type of difficult business. You can achieve worldwide. You can achieve great success. Thank you friends. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, share it to your friends. Thank you.